Hey beauties, welcome back to my channel. My name is Alice. If you're new here, I am a cruelty-free ME who loves to play with makeup. Of course, has a lot of cats. If you've been here before, welcome back. Today's video is actually working with the BFF Alondra and Elsy palette from BH Cosmetics. I already did a first impressions video on this. I really do like this palette, and my favorite shade of all time has become Virgo. This shade is so pretty. It has a gold, a bluish and gold shimmer to it. Definitely is a blue, but has a gold shimmer to it. So it's a really nice, pretty duochrome color, which I really loved and do enjoy and everything. But it's something that I really do enjoy. I thought it'd be cool just do a cut crease look with this, because why not? Because there's one shade I do want to work with is the messy one, but you know how I am. I still want to do whatever I want to do, what my brain says to do. So I'm just going to do one eye in this. It's easier for myself, and then of course you'll see the finished look. And then yeah. So let me see if I can find, because the other day the cat decides to over, and I might do eyelashes just because, but you know me, may or may not. So my Milani, here we go, I was not looking. Okay, I'm going to use my Milani. My truest and my only one I really do enjoy is this. I really do like it. So I was going to do a nice little cut crease, because why not? Just why not? So something similar like that, but I don't know that. So the first shade I'm going to use is BFF. It's this shade right here. I really do like the shade, and I like this. It has a mirror, so you can actually see what I'm doing. What you're doing, I should say, not what I'm doing. You're not going to see me. So I'm just buffing this out. I like to use a really fluffy brush. Sorry if my cats are a little bit in the way, but yeah. So this I'm just going to use a transition shade just to have a red base to it. So you can use a white base, but I really don't want to use a white base unless I need a cut crease, which we'll be using anyway. But I'm just gonna buff this out like how it is. Yeah, I want to use Mexicana. It's this shade right here. It's a really nice reddish color, and I'm just going to use a very light just to I might do a half cut crease, just be easier for me to do. I don't know. Then I'm actually going to use more fluffy. People like to use dark colors than to work with me. I like to do how I want to do it. Some people like to use dark colors and then some light colors. Me, I have to build up the colors the lightest to the darkest. So okay, I'm making this as reddish as much as possible. So as I see, I'm gonna use Scorpio, this shade right here. So I want to keep this in the red down as much as possible. And you can clean it up. I like to clean up with one of these just to help it. I'll clean up my brows with it, so not the same dirty one. So I like to angle it up and then pull it into that shade, and to help it blend out some, use that red shade, Mascara. So we are going to go a little bit darker as we go. So you just want to keep blending and blending and blending to get the right consistency, the right now what I like to do sometimes, depending on my mood, I might use the back on that part, but as you can see, it's turning more reddish, so that will work. And then I'm going to use Wine and Dine, this right up here. This is a nice chocolate brown color. I have something similar in my collection, which it wasn't just because I want the color, like, you know, the colors as I really like Virgo, and I didn't expect I like Virgo very much. I wanted to get the eyeshadow palette because of Malibu and the Salvador. Sorry, I cannot pronounce that shade name. But, and you're sick, and then I like Virgo. Like, Virgo has become my obsession, which I will be continuously using for all this time. So I don't know if I have to find a color shade that's similar to that. So I'm going to use this to just get all these shades to be like a dark burgundy color. I don't know what I'm doing. But like I said, with any shades you're working with, doesn't matter what shades you're working with. You just want to keep. Sometimes I like to type it out, and then I go back to that transition shade that I use any time, just to blend it out. And sometimes I have to go with a clean one, so I will get the it's going to have an angle. I usually don't do this as much, but I say, you know what? Let's do this. It's like a half cut crease. So if you want a full cut crease, you want to do what I just did right here. You would to full it out a different shade, but I would not want that because I actually like that very much. And like I said, my cats like to be. So I'm going to use Pop Off. Pop Off is this nice shade right here. It's a shimmer shade here. And I'm going to use this shade as the top. So I'm kind of putting it a little bit right there just to help it blend out right there. Just like such a pretty shade. Just to help it blend out. You don't have to do that like I did with the cut crease, but I wanted to make it a little bit more prominent so it does go up. Now I'm going to use less at the inner corner of the eye. It'll be this shade right here, and that's what I said. I'm going to use 2 flat brushes, and I'm going to use plus, which a nice pretty champagne color. So have it a nice little. People like to put it really hot, but I just don't like that. So I really do like that. Now I am going to use black eyeliner. So I'm going to finish up the rest of the eye and everything else. Doing with some eyeliner, probably with some falsies, I don't know, depending. And then when I finish this eye, and you'll see the finished look. And I tell you what I use to finish the outlook and everything else. So I'll be right back and see you in 5 seconds. This is the finished look. I really went with the red look, almost well red. What I kind of finished up with was the e.l.f. gel liner, cream eyeliner. I really don't care for it as much. I'm just trying to use it up as much as fast as possible because I was trying out a new brush that I got from e.l.f. Not from e.l.f. From well, I don't know what happened to it. It just starts disappearing once it starts. I start things moving around. From WetNWild, their angle gel liner. Cream eyeliner thing brush has a nice little angle, like a 90-degree angle. Really do like that brush. And I use, for the lashes, I use sequin eyelashes. These are cruelty-free, so these are Fox Minks. They do have natural eyelashes, which I really don't care for. These are Fox Faux Minks eyelashes, so they're fake, so which I will only use. From bottom of my eye, I use here goes the brush. That's what I was talking about. So I really do like it. So gives me a nice little underneath my eyes. I kind of did a nice little smoky eye look. I just use Wine Dine and Scorpio, just mixed them together and just do that way. Of course, mascara, I use my Ilia one. I really love this one. This is my go-to one. This is actually one of the only high-end brands I probably would keep rebuying this just because the mascara. I love it. And the red, I did a duo, but it didn't come out red like I wanted to. It's because I didn't have a really good mauve or brownish reddish color that will match this eye look. I didn't want to go with a nude or anything like this. I'm trying to get out of my comfort zone as much as possible. I used Celavi pencil lip liner in Rust Red. This color is really pretty. I was going to swatch this because it's like this kind of reddish color right here. It's a very bright red. I really do like it. I do need a more reddish, brownish lip color just to, and of course I use the, for my underneath my eyes, for any things I have, this Hey Honey Trick or Treat Active Cream Concealer. It gives me a nice full coverage. It's really creamy. It does hydrate, which I'm looking for now. Even though I do like mattes, don't get me wrong, I am looking at my skin differently now, because I'm getting over and everything else. But yeah. And of course, to start the show is this. I am so sorry for the people. Sorry for Elsy, for her mispronouncing that. I am sorry about that. But I really, really love this palette. So I really I will keep saying I highly recommend this because I like how these shades are working together, and this came up with a really warm look, which, you know, springtime, I should say springtime is coming up, and of course summer. But I'm thinking this is going to be all year long eyeshadow palette, which I'm going to use. So yeah, guys, I can't wait for next month because I have a cool idea, and I will not say anything till that video is out. Very exciting, and hopefully it's coming out while I want it to be. I'm very excited about that, but I'm going to keep my mouth shut because it's going to happen every month. But it's going to be exciting, so if you're new and you want to see what's going on, make sure you hit the subscribe button. If not, and you've been here before quite a long time, you still stay subscribed because it will be cool for everyone to do and everything else. It's not a giveaway. I just want to say that it's not a giveaway. I'm going to do something different with the giveaways that I'm doing, want to do. So that will be coming up hopefully in the next couple of months because I got other things I want to get for you guys, which I can get a hold of. But yeah, so prepare for next month's video. Make sure you're subscribed so you'll know what's going to happen. It's happening. If you make sure you follow me on Instagram so you can be part of something cool too. So it doesn't matter if you're a advanced, new, or beginner. Everybody's welcome to this idea that I'm coming up with. So I'm very excited. So if anyone tries to DM me, you're gonna have to wait because I ain't gonna say anything. So guys, I hope you do like this video. Hit the like button. Also, if you want to be part of the MegaGlo family and also want to see more videos like this and also see what's coming up in the next month or so and these other videos I'm coming up with, please hit the subscribe button. And also don't forget hit the notification bell so you can notify of any new videos that I upload. Guys, I love you and I hope to see you in my next video. And I love you and God bless.